Welcome to another session of practicing our listening perception. You can find a quiet spot for yourself where you feel comfortable, where you feel nobody or nothing can disturb you for the next maybe 10-15 minutes. And then just be there, sitting, laying down, standing, whatever feels right for you. And you can close your eyes or keep them open in whatever way it enables you to fully focus on your listening sense. We are here in Kyrgyzstan in a national park. And I'm inviting you now to explore what sounds are reaching your ears right now. Let them just pass through your ears. You don't have to label them. It's just about perceiving the sound landscape in its diversity. You can start noticing if there are some sounds that are very dominating, that capture and take in all your attention. And if so, then try and navigate yourself towards the other sounds that may be less dominant, and see if you can hold your focus on those other sounds that are maybe less loud, less regular. So see if you can hold your attention and your awareness on the other sounds for a bit. How do you feel about the sounds that are reaching you? Do they bring up a sense of comfort, or are some sounds annoying or agitating you, or are some sounds really soothing you and relaxing you? Just make mental notes about those different sounds, what they bring up in you. What do they make you feel? If your mind is drifting away from listening and going into thoughts that have nothing to do with the sounds here, you can bring yourself back by counting the different sounds as well. You can just count them with your fingers and see how many different sounds are you actually able to hear. You can also observe if those sounds that you're hearing, if they form some sense of an image in your head. Do the sounds create pictures in you, imagining what it looks like? Who and what is creating the sounds? Do they bring up some visuals in your head? Let those images just emerge. Fill them with the sounds and your feelings. And then let's slowly come back. Take a deep inhale and exhale. And then you can slowly open your eyes. Look around the space that you're actually in. Come back to that. Be present. And I'm thanking you for participating in this listening skills session. Thank you. Until next time.